How do you run the best clinical trials for pharmaceutical, biotech, and medical device companies? Well, our next guest believes that a good start includes highly experienced data, information management, and technology teams, but it can't end there. You need to follow through from beginning to end, and you need a centralized infrastructure in place that will let you do that easily. John Hudak is president and founder of Criterium, one of the leading full-service global contract research organizations, and he joins us on the line now. John, welcome to Talk Business 360.
Thank you for having me.
Now, John, Criterium prides itself on its agility and responsiveness, and that means your management stays involved in the projects long after the contract is signed. Tell us about that.
Our structure is flat. Senior management gets engaged at the beginning of each project and involves operational staff through a series of transition meetings so that the information that was given to us from the client is communicated directly to that operational team. The business development team and senior management continue to supervise the process throughout the project using the project reports and attending periodic team meetings to stay engaged. Because these projects last for many months and years, the circumstances around those projects will change, and decisions need to be made that will affect the timeline or change the cost of the project. Because senior management has been involved throughout the process, we can intervene and make objective decisions about the impact on staffing and cost. It's something that our operational staff would not necessarily be able to make. Thus, when there is an issue with a project, senior management's familiarity with the projects in real time allows for quick, informed decisions to right the situation with the client's project in an equitable way.
Now, I mentioned the importance of infrastructure a moment ago. How does Criterium's real-time technology work?
Criterium was formed on the principles that technology can be used to reduce the amount of time staff need to spend on certain tasks and collect data in real time. By collecting data in real time, we're able to manage the data quickly and provide up-to-date information to our stakeholders in real time. In addition, we use the flow of information to manage sites and staff wherever they sit in the world by monitoring that flow of information every day as it comes to us. Now, the core of that principle is the incorporation of real-time technology into our processes. No technology on its own can reduce your time without processes designed to take advantage of the technology or staff who are trained to manage the processes most effectively. This requires creativity and discipline. Creativity to design efficient processes and discipline to stick to those processes once they have been designed. Our staff is committed to our processes because they have designed them. We integrate a combination of commercial software with customized applications that we have validated to run project teams that are the most efficient in the industry.
And John, finally, what's the advantage of working with a company that has a global reach like Criterium does?
We'll take technology, processes designed by the staff that will use them, bring in outside experts to evaluate and help you validate your systems, and you have the ability to manage staff, project teams, data, and offices wherever they sit in the world. With our people, processes, and technology, it's as if we are all sitting beside each other to complete our work. Today's technology environment enables a company of Criterium's size to conduct global studies without the expensive infrastructure and high overhead required in the past.
John, it's been a pleasure speaking to you today. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.
That was John Hudak. If you want more information on Criterium's services, go to criteriuminc.com. That's CRITERIUMINC.com.